Hi, my name is Chike, and today I want to be teaching you CSS3 column rules and how to apply them to your web page, your HTML web page. We've done a lot so far in CSS. We went from basics to advanced, and now we are dealing with the CS3, and we're a few videos away from making you a professional CSS styler. Okay, so basically what I want to show you now is the CSS3 column. Now if you look at this page, I opened the preview already, and this is what we have. Let me reload this. Okay, and so look at what we have. Now we want to, if you look at the newspaper, whichever country you're viewing from, over here in Nigeria we have the newspaper, and so they have columns and allow users to read from one line to the other. And so I'm just going to show you how to do that. Now besides, I'm just going to show you how to do that, and to do that we would be using something called the column count. The column count. And so you just go ahead and type the column count, and I want to make this 4 column count. And so you use the keyword the column count, then you put the number of columns in. So let's go ahead and refresh this page, and so you see what we have. We have 4 columns. Okay, and now there are other things you can do with this. You can add the column rule. The column rule allows you to do what border does, and so I'm just going to go ahead and add that. Just a moment. And so I'm going to refresh. So you see what we did was to say column rule 2 pixels, so I can increase this to 5 pixels, so it could be obvious. You can put whatever color you want, and so it gets thicker. Another thing I would like to show you is the column gap. You can actually give a gap between them and specify the number of pixels you want that gap to have. And so you see there is a gap, so I'm just going to go ahead and make the column count 3, so we can have it looking better than this. Okay, so and this is it about the CSS3 column and how you can implement it. In the next tutorial I'm going to be showing you some other things. Thank you. See you.